Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a short and quick Dollar Tree Easter shopping haul. Someone suggested they wanted me to start sharing when I bought things instead of waiting till I had a whole bunch of things to share, so that way you could hopefully find things while they're in store. So here we go. This is going to be a short haul, but I think the things that I did find are so cute, so I do want to share. So look at these. They come in pink, purple, and blue. They are a felt fabric gingham with bow bunny rabbit 6-piece set. They've got the felt on the back, and like I said, they come in 3 colors. So cute. So lots of options to do with these. I think these would be precious on a wreath or maybe like on a sweatshirt. So you'll have to give me some of your ideas on how to use these sweet little gingham checked bunnies. Also, I think these are new for this year. It's a 3-piece eggs, and these are all from Dollar Tree, $1.25. So I thought these were really neat and would look neat just to put in a pretty decorative bowl or for a DIY on a wreath. And then here's some more egg picks. These are a 4-piece package, so I also picked them up in blue, and I think they have green too. And then I had to pick up this bunny butt pick. I think they also have it with the little blue feet too, and these I believe came out last year. And then I picked up these little signs. It says Easter Rejoice and Happy Easter. And then they also had it in these 2 colors. So we have Hippity Hoppity and Easter Blessings. So these are really cute for a wreath or just to sit around. Those are just so cute. Then I found the Easter egg frame, and it just says egg wreath form, and they are 11.8 inches. So I picked up a couple of these. Also found the bunny frame, and it says bunny wreath form, and it's 9.45 inches. And then I found the Easter trees. Just found a couple of them, and this one was open, so I was going to show you. It's really pretty, iridescent. And let's see. I think these are around 12 inches tall or so. They're not really big, but you could put a couple together. But I'm planning on doing some Easter DIYs really soon. And then I found this egg, like yard stake sign, but I'll probably remove the little stake off the back. And they had these in a few different colors. And then I didn't find too many signs, but I did pick up this one. It says Cottontail Company Easter Egg Farm, fill your basket, open daily. I thought that was really cute and sweet. So if you like for me to go ahead and share what I find that day, let me know, and I could start doing more of these. I know they're just kind of short and sweet, but I also did pick up some pretty roses while I was at Dollar Tree. And one more thing I want to share before I go. If you're looking for some spring ribbon, Sam's Club has their spring ribbon in store now. So I picked up this color, and it has, this is the 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire, 50 yards on it, and I believe they're $7.98. And then this is the 2.5 inch, and it also has 50 yards. Okay guys, I think that is it for today. So I will see you again real soon.